Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the privacy settings in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are inside the app and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see three lines there. Press on it, and here, exactly as the last option on the list, you will find the privacy settings. Press on it, and here you can see all the privacy settings that this app can offer, which is first party performance cookies, functional cookies, and targeting cookies. Now if you want to deactivate any of these, you can just press on them basically, and press once again if you want to activate it, and if you want to deactivate all of them, you just press on all of them. And if you change your mind for some reason, then you can just press on the allow all option, and all of them will be activated once again. If you go back and check it, you will see that all of these are activated. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.